normal, taking this lot apart. Now, if you remember, the Xsara Vts was showing a comms error. Now, it's possible that this, which is the ring around the barrel, sends the signal to this, the comms unit. It could be that that's faulty. It could be the comms unit's faulty. It could even be that the BSI is faulty. It's definitely not the ECU. But if you remember to the other video, Lexia diagnosed it as a comms issue. So I'm going with comms, because comms is the most common fault with PSA group cars. So yeah, so what we have to do is we have to remove the airbag, take the wheel off, and then remove the comms unit. But for now, what I wanted to do was establish which comms it is. So on top is a serial number, so I'm going to get that. What I also thought was quite interesting was this plate underneath. And this plate that's on there, I wonder why that's on there. Must be a way to stop people stealing the car, getting to the barrel and things, so they put a metal plate there. But if you know the reason, let me know. I'm interested to know. I'm guessing that's why it's there. And this is what it looks like from underneath. Hopefully that's focusing on it. And then from above, yeah, I'm not sure what to do with this little pup other than pull the thing out of it. I dare say there's different ones for different keys, or they need programming, because it might be worth changing that as well. Anyway, we'll see how we get on. Need to order a new comms first, don't I? That's the first thing to do, and get all this off. So I'll do a bit more filming once I get to that stage. Cheers. So you find me today in the Xsara, and as you can see, I've removed the airbag and unclipped the clips either side, blue on the left, green on the right on the airbag, and the red one at the top. You have to put a screwdriver through the back here to force these springs up this wire, which releases the airbag. So there's three, one this side, one down there, and that releases it out. You unclip these and out she pops, and then this is situated inside there, and you have to lever up this plastic bit here to unclip this out of here, I'm guessing. Or is that soldered in? That's soldered in, isn't it? So that ain't gonna work. Join me back in a minute. I'm going to need both hands. So what I've decided to do here, because it's just easier, is to unclip this black lead here eventually, and then pull this through, and then push all that through up the top, I think. I'm not sure how this all unclips. It's a bit of an odd one, that. It must be here that it joins. What do you reckon? I reckon, because I need to get this through there. Back in a minute. Oh, look at those, nice and shiny. Torx 1/2" socket. Sam has just unclipped the cover, and now we're going to get the cover off the Xsara Part 2. Hold it. So we've got a nice new T50 on here, and hopefully we can do this. Now the question is, will it undo? That's doing it up. Satisfying when you get a tool and it does the job straight off the bat like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was what was holding that in. Go with the help from some BDX on the old joint here. Even though that bar wouldn't get the wheel off through levering, squirt a BDX on that and it just came straight off. Unbelievable stuff. Anyway, so we're now at this point, so we're going to take this whole comms unit off, and then we can get it to the people in Kent and hopefully get it repaired. And that's what it looks like underneath. We need this for reference for what wires go where, even though it'll be pretty blooming obvious, but let's just have a copy of it on camera in case. And then we're getting somewhere now, folks. Onwards and upwards, as they say. Hope your day's being as productive. So on the back of this, these clips here all the way around the comms unit clip on here and down there. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, and gosh, that's fiddly to get off, but eventually it does come off. Now I just need to unplug it all and it's off the car, and that can go off to be serviced. Oh, what a win. What you're left with, this thing I should have got off earlier, it just keeps getting in the way. So these clips just pull like that, lift and pull, and this one here was in there, we've done that, and then this one here, this one is the one that goes to your immobiliser, which is this part here, and you have to squeeze that little tab down. It should just pop out like it isn't doing, as you can see. So we'll get a bit of a screwdriver. I'm on the camera. Give it a push in, and look at that, it won't come out because it's been in it since time began. It doesn't want to know. And you just lift the tab and pull, and the same there, lift the tab, pull, and there we have it. That is the comms unit. Now, if anyone knows how I can change this so that I have the comms unit but without the airbags, so I can put an aftermarket steering wheel on a phase 2 Xsara Vts, I'd be interested to know, because I don't really want to put the old steering wheel back on. I want to put something a bit flashier on. So if anyone's got any ideas or where they got theirs from, let me know. Thanks very much, and we'll come back once we've got a this thing looked at, and hopefully they'll say, oh yeah, that's the problem with it, fix it, and it will cure the problems. If it doesn't, I think we'll be looking at BSI and ECU problems, because that would be the next down the line. But this is what the Lexia's saying is the issue. It's doing weird and wonderful stuff, so let's change it and see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch up soon. Just after we'd gone at the end there. Listen to this. Doesn't sound good, does it? Maybe, just maybe, that's why it's not working, eh folks? Who knows? Anyway, thanks again. Catch up soon. Bye.